Hello students, today I am here with a new poem, that is Magic Seed. Before we start, let us know something more about it. In this picture, you can see many types of seeds. Now we will see where do we find these seeds. Yes, we find seeds in the fruits and vegetables which we eat. Here are some examples of fruit which have seeds: watermelon, orange, apple. Here are some vegetables have seeds in them. For example, bitter gourd, chilies, pumpkin. Students, I know you may be thinking that these seeds looks very simple and plain. Then why it is called a magic seed? It is called a magic seed because when you take and plant in the soil, take a proper care of it by water it daily, slowly and steadily, the magic starts happening. Okay, now come, let's see the poem. Open English textbook page number 90, 2.4 Magic Seed. Now let's read the poem. I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside. Almost at once it started to grow up tall and white. It sprouted leaves from everywhere and soon became quite big. I'm not sure what it is yet, apples, peas or figs. No matter how it turns out, I know that it will be my own completely special something or other tree. Now let's see first stanza. I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside. A poet want to tell us he found a tiny little seed. Tiny little means small seed, and he planted it outside. He planted the seed outside of his house. Almost at once it started to grow up tall and wide. Now it is started growing day by day. Here poet want to tell us how tree grown up. First we dig a hole and put some seeds in the soil and water it every day. What will happen? It will sprout like this. The leaf come up. Then what happened? It will sprouted its leaves. See, and now it is a grown up tree. And for this procedure needs sun rays and water. Now come to the second stanza. It sprouted leaves from everywhere and soon become quite big. I'm not sure what it is yet, apples, peas or fig. Sprouted means coming out. Here the poet is saying that once a plant grown tall and wide, leaves started growing from its branches and it become quite big. But still, poet not sure whether which types of tree it is. It may be apples, peas or fig. Okay. Now last stanza. No matter how it turns out, I know that it will be my own completely special something or other tree. No matter, here the poet is saying it is not worried about, he is not worried about the types of tree. It will be grown. But still he believes that it will be its own special tree because he planted this tree. Understood, children? Now let's sing our poem. I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside. Almost at once it started to grow up tall and wide. It sprouted leaves from everywhere and soon my own completely special, something or other tree. Thank you. Here are some rhyming words from the poem. Side, wide, big, feet, bee, tree. Now I am going to read opposite words. You should repeat after me. Found, lost, out, in, up, down, tall, short, wide, narrow. Okay. Now let's read new words. M-A-G-I-C, magic. S-E-E-D, seed. F-O-U-N-D, found. S-P-R-O-U-T-E-D, sprouted. P-L-A-N-T-E-D, planted. G-R-O-W, grow. O-U-T-S-I-D-E, outside. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. P-E-A-S, peas. F-I-G-S, figs. S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special. E-V-E-R-Y, W-H-E-R-E, everywhere.